Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. I'm Lauren Rabin. On today's show, our featured ingredient is carrots, and we'll be making carrot mac and cheese and ginger and carrot bisque with crispy goat cheese. Joining us in the kitchen today is Dr. Jennifer Janko from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Patrick Feury from Dan Liu and Nectar. Chef, we are looking forward to seeing how you're going to make easy meals for the family using carrots. So where do we start?
And the things that take the longest, little elbow noodles. We're going to start off with our soup, which is going to be, a multi-purpose sauce. Onions.
Okay.
Okay, shallots. We got that going.
So carrots are high in beta-carotene, which is great for your eyes. What other health benefits come from carrots?
So I think the way I think about it is any kind of vegetables are going to be helpful for your child. You want to have a balance to the things that your child is eating. The one nice thing about carrots, it's one of those really first foods that babies will get. So it really in the puree baby food version. So it's a familiar taste. It's something that I think that kids do tend to like, and I think would pair nicely with this.
So what are we doing over here?
So when I make a soup, I usually like to make a stock and then use the vegetables themselves. So I actually blanched off the carrots themselves, which actually made a carrot stock.
Okay.
Right? And then actually take some of that stock and use it for the base of the actual soup itself.
So you kept the water that you blanched the carrots in.
Exactly. So that's what we're going to do next is we're going to take some really, I like goat cheese personally.
And this you can find in any grocery store.
Yeah, so this is going to be a super fun.
shop.
I think the kids are going to steal this from adults.
And so what do you do?
It's going to happen. We're making basically fried cheese. Okay, and then we got some eggs, and then we're just going to dredge it in some.
Like a breadcrumb?
Yep, exactly.
And
This is a panko breadcrumb.
Would you be able to just use regular breadcrumbs?
Absolutely. Yeah, sure. So. And then when you cut your carrots, cut them smaller. It's going to go faster.
Okay. So you're pulsing lightly.
Unsalted butter.
Okay.
So does the butter make it a little bit more creamy?
Yeah. It'll bring it together and actually helps it emulsify.
It's always good to add healthy fats into your diet, not to be afraid of them.
Correct. Don't be afraid
exactly.
of fats, especially for children. And children have growing minds, growing bones. A little bit of
yeah.
fat and healthy fat is actually appropriate.
Cheese in there.
Okay, so the cheese just goes right in there
Right in there.
Nothing fancy at all. You're just putting it all together.
This is impressive.
For mom and dad.
Right? Look at that. Whole family gets a meal.
So we want to kind of just stir that around.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
And the cheese will melt in there. And you got the carrots and you got all the fun goodness.
That looks gorgeous.
It really does. I think it's hilarious that looks exactly like the sort of the artificial look of cheese because it has the carrot in it.
It's not bright orange.
It's not an artificial product that's in there.
So it couldn't have been any faster, easier to make using simple ingredients that we have in our grocery store, that we have in our home. I can't wait to try it. So let's dig in.
Alrighty. Sounds good. Oh my gosh, that's so good. And you don't even know that there's carrot in it.
Yeah.
No, that tastes like mac and cheese. Absolutely. Oh, any mother would be happy.
I was just going to say
make this for their family.
You feel like a personal victory that you
Yeah,
got your child to eat carrots
absolutely.
when they didn't know it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, let's taste
Thank
the
you.
soup and take a nice piece of this cheese. Can't forget about that.
Oh,
And again,
sorry, I got
so
your
easy.
cheese.
We used the soup mixture on top of the noodles. It was like 2 in 1.
That's really good.
That's delicious.
I would absolutely make that and eat that. I'd recommend that other people, like parents, that's something easy they can do when they don't know what to do.
So delicious.